Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lovely, beautiful day. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you can get new uploads. So here I am again with a Temu haul. It's going to be a lovely video, so watch full till the end so that you can get more and more benefits and discount codes and offers running from Temu. So I bought a parcel from Temu, and if you don't know what is Temu, so Temu is a marketplace where you can shop for clothing, accessories, bags, shoes, home appliances, anything, whatever you're looking for, you will get on Temu. And if you want to buy something from Temu, download the link in the description and also use my code to avail for maximum discounts. So you have fun to shop on Temu. You will avail this discount code which is flashing on the screen here. So let's begin with the video and the parcel. I'm so excited and I was waiting for to share with you all. So let's start with the first what do you call this top, I guess. Yeah, it's a top and it's a very beautiful top from Timo, and this is a very beautiful sweater top, and this looks so pretty. The color is so vibrant, purple color. It's just wow. Beautiful buttons here, you can see, and nice work, knit work on the sleeves, and overall this t-shirt is very beautiful. You can wear it in winters, autumn, fall, as well as spring. So this is a beautiful sweater I got from Temu, and if you like this, there are various colors also in this, I guess white, yellow, orange, blue color options are there. And if you want to buy this, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can avail this, and also it's quite cheap and affordable, as well as you'll get more and more varieties of these kind of sweaters, sweat t-shirts, uh, on Temu app, so you can also check out that. So our next product is this beautiful, it's kind of a jacket, and the color is little different. It's like an aqua green color. It's a beautiful jacket that you can wear as a formal wear also, or as a semi-formal outfit, or just a summer casual. You can wear it with denims, you can wear it with black trousers, and you can pair it up with white t-shirt or any dark t-shirt inside. And this is, the material is, the fabric is good, it's soft, and as you can see here, it's good, the stitching quality is good, and this is also very reasonable. And it had many other colors, yellow, red, black, so there were different colors. And if you like this product, I'll leave the link here and in the description. And don't forget to avail the discount code if when you download the Temu app. So if you avail that, uh, so if you download from my link and put the discount code, you will get maximum discount. So what are you waiting for? After this video, go rush and download the Temu app from my link. And here is the last product I wanted to show you all. So this is again a very beautiful, and I was super excited to see this and wear it as well. This is a beautiful sweat t-shirt. It's a wool kind of material and knitted so well, and the color combination is so beautiful. I really loved the pattern. It has a hoodie here, and this was again a very beautiful option. And if you see on the sleeves, it's kind of nice combination, I really liked. And I was thinking, where would I wear it? Of course I would have to wear a spaghetti or a t-shirt inside, because this has like tiny holes. It's see-through kind of stuff. And so I would wear something inside and slay on this nice sweatshirt. So if you like all of these, and also the one which I'm wearing here is from Temu app. So if you like all these products that I'm wearing, download the Temu app from the link in the description. Use my code to avail lots and lots of discounts and happy shopping. So not only these products, but also there are lots and lots of other accessories, beautiful earrings, sweaters, shoes, winter collection, summer collection, spring collection, fall collection, autumn collection, electronics, gadgets, everything you'll find on Temu app. So what are you waiting for? Download the app, click the link in the description, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get latest uploads. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.